Bunnies, welcome to another video. It's been a while since I've done a sit down video, but here we go. I was told that I get distracted very easily like a chicken sandwich, so we're going to try to keep this video as focused as possible. All right, so before we begin, I just want to say that this video is sponsored. This is sponsored by TEMU. Every bag that you see here was given to me for the purpose of this video. I do have an affiliate link and it will be in the description bar, as well as links to all the purses will be in the description bar. So without further ado, let's begin. Now, this past couple weeks we have been in date location hell. Okay, we have been in date location purgatory. Now, if you've been asked out on a date, wherever this date might be, because you should know your person and where you want to take them, where they would enjoy going, right? Whether it's a movie or a picnic or a dinner, whatever the case is. I can say whatever I want to say on what I think a date is, but you should know your person well enough within those 3 to 4 weeks of the talking phase, like I always say, to know where you want to take them. Okay, so for this video I want to share some purses that I think would be perfect for your everyday life or for a first date or any dates in general, honestly. First bag is this one here. All right, this bag is a backpack. Now, if you two are the adventurous type, let's say you go on like a little hiking date. For me, it's a no. Like, it's a no for me, dog. But if this is your type, if this is your jam, if this is your groove, you want to go on a little hike, a little walk, and then have a cute little picnic. Oh, now that is a cute idea. This bag is perfect for that, right? Flips open. I believe it does have, hold on. It comes in different colors. This one, I chose the pink one because duh. It is it reflective? I don't know. But you have a pocket here. You can put your little stuff right there. You flip it open. You have a pocket here. If I can get it open, there we go. A big pocket here, right? You have another pocket here. Flip that closed. And then you have the main pocket here up at the top, like this, and you can fit a bunch of stuff. This could also be used as a backpack if you're going to school. A great little backpack. It has a little straps, you know, to make it really cute. This one has, yes, side pockets to put your bottles of water, your bottles of wine, your bottles of vodka, tequila, cognac, whatever it is that you're taking with you on this little picnic hike thing. It comes with a cute little, oh my gosh, I didn't even see this, a cute little fuzzy ball key charm thingy you can put on the bag. This, ooh, what's this? This is some sort of headphone USB thingy. What is this? So you could put your little headphone thingies here. It has like a little case where you put your, I'm assuming your headphone. Oh, it comes with a charging thing. Okay. So it comes with cables so you can charge your devices, and then you would put the cables, I'm assuming, in this little, oops, in this little piece right here, right? You put this, wait, let's try this. Let's see what's happening here, because this is actually blowing my mind. Hold on. Is the camera too high? No, whatever. Okay. Because see, now I'm getting distracted again. That's what the guy was talking about. Oh, this is cool. So you put the USB thingy in here, right? In here, right? That's the cable. Or, yeah, right? You put that there. You put this one here. And then, I don't know how it would, like, I don't know. And then you plug your stuff up right there, like your headphones, or, can you guys see what I'm talking about? You see it right here? Right. And then it comes through right here. I don't know. What else is in here? There's a pocket for like your wallet, your pens. This is a cute little bag. This is actually really, really cool. So great for school. If you're in high school, college, whatever. Great for, like I said, backpacking or going on a hike, going for a picnic. It's great for that. Yeah, so that was the first bag. Second bag is this clear PVC bag. Now I chose this one because when you go to, or every time I've been to either a concert at the, what's it called? It's not a stadium, in the amphitheater type of thing. When you have to go inside, you can't bring too big of a bag, right? So a smaller bag is always preferred, and then a clear one is great because they can see that you have no weapons in it, right? Very cute. Comes with a strap, comes in different colors. I grabbed my phone so I could demonstrate because I had threw it earlier. Anyways, see, this is the reaction thing. Anyways, so you can drop your phone in there, right? You can fit a card holder that has your ID, debit card, credit card. You can fit cash. You know, it has an extra compartment right here if you want to put your lip gloss and separate it from everything else. It does come with a strap, so you can wear it either crossbody or across your shoulder. I believe if you adjust it the right way, you could even wear it around your waist like a little, you know, fanny pack type of deal. That's always cute. So that's that idea if you're going to like a concert together for the first time, or if you're going to like, when we saw the monster truck rally thingy, it was indoors. If you're going to a basketball game, they want smaller purses. You know, stuff like that, that works. Okay? All right. Next one we have here. Well, this one's cute. Okay. I mean, they're all cute, but this one. So this one is great. Oh, look at the little fuzzy balls on the thing. I would probably take these fuzzy balls off, but that's cute. So this one here is great for like a Sunday, like daytime type of event, right? Let's say you guys are going to what's the call, like a polo game or something like that. You're going to watch something. This with like a nice flowy dress. It comes with a strap, of course, so you can wear it over your shoulder if you want to. The strap does adjust, so if you wanted to do a crossbody, you could do that as well. You could also ditch the strap like I would do, because I'm not much of a strap girl. Throw it into the purse and go. It does have inside compartments, a little pocket right here for like your cell phone, your lip gloss, anything like that. It does snap close for added security, and then it has a little, you know, so it's like a wristlet as well. It's obviously large enough to fit your cell phone. It's large enough to fit your wallet, your card holder, your keys, all of that good stuff. Okay, you get Bex money, everything. All right, this one I absolutely love. I can see myself wearing this with a white dress. A white dress with this, I think, would just eat the girls up. Okay, love, love, love this clutch. A clutch. All right, next one. Oh, don't fall, don't fall, don't fall. Okay. Oh, it fell. Okay, I'll grab it later. Wait, 2 fell. Oh gosh. All right, so that's 3 bags down. This is bag number 4. This one, okay, has the little Gucci colors. It is a canvas tote. This one comes in 3 sizes. This one is the medium size, so there is one smaller than this and there's one larger than this. This one I feel like is great for like a beach date. It's great for a pool date. You know, we're putting dates on the ends of everything because apparently everything can be a date. I mean, everything can be a date. Like I said, it just depends on your person. We're not getting into the specifications of what a date is. But it does not have a clasp. It does not close, which I think that's why I would say is perfect for an event like that. Or you could wear it for like your everyday bag, but not necessarily because it does not have a clasp. So definitely for the beach where everything is like easy to grab, you can throw like a small towel. If you get a bigger one, then a bigger towel will fit. But like a small towel, if you wear a cover up, you can drop it in there. Your cell phone, your water bottle, excuse me. You know, any gum, anything that you feel like you're going to need at the beach. Sunscreen, throw that in there. I'm not expecting you to put food in there because no, food should be there at the date. Unless you're the one planning the date, then this is going to be too small and you should get the bigger version to this. But I love how it has the little, you know, little Gucci colors. So it gives like a little luxurious feel to it. But this is super cute. Like I said, it is a canvas tote. It feels really, really sturdy and nice. And then on the side right here, you see how it looks kind of see-through, but it's not. It's like plastic lined on the inside. Like right here is like a little plastic lining. I like this. I like this bag. This bag, yeah, this bag is vibes. I low-key feel like I should have gotten the bigger one, but that one is very, very cute. Okay, next purse. This purse is a popcorn purse, and can you guys guess which date this is perfect for? The movies. Now, I know we like to pack our snacks and sneak them into the theater, right? But let's say you're not that kind of girl. Let's say you're the kind of girl who just likes to shows up and have, you know, whoever is there pay for whatever. Or if you just don't feel like logo and you don't feel like going to the dollar store and buying, you know, snacks. You don't feel like stopping at Five Below. You don't feel like going to CVS or Walgreens. Oh, CVS is expensive though. CVS is expensive. Anyways. Yeah, so this one, it comes with these straps, which I would definitely recommend that you attach, because this one you can't really tote around like a little clutch, right? So this one you definitely have to put the straps. So this is it here. You can definitely wear it cross body. If you will definitely fit your cell phone in it easily. See, and this is the iPhone 14. Yeah, this is the 14, and I can't zip it because it's like fresh out of the bag, so it's still like folded up. Okay, there we go. But yeah, so it fits the cell phone, right? It'll fit your cell phone. It will fit your wallet, depending on the size of wallet that you have. It'll definitely fit your card holder. It'll fit your keys, the necessities, your lipstick or lip gloss. So what I did with my other bag is that I doubled this so that it can be worn over the shoulder instead of crossbody. How did I double it again? I did it in a way so that this was like this. How did I do that? I swear, I'm a magician, honestly. So, okay, here we go. So push this through that part, right? And then, so both of them are gonna snap on one side, right? Like that. And then, bam, short chain. So now it's a shoulder bag. I love me so much. So that is that. Perfect for a movie date. And again, some people are gonna say a movie date is not a real date, and to which I agree. For a first date, the movies I would not recommend. But if you guys are already dating and you're going on a movie date, then yes, that's perfect. Popcorn bag. I love this bag. It's so cute. I can see my sister-in-law wearing this. Yeah. All right. Next bag, because the other two fell out to grab those. This one is huge. Which one is this? Okay. So many. Oh, okay. This one is like a little crocodile skin, a little alligator action happening. This is in the brown color. It does come in black, it comes in burgundy, it comes in red. It has gold hardware. Ooh, the zipper is nice and smooth. This is what's inside holding it, you know, making it stay open. It does come with 3 pieces, right? So it comes with, what is this? Oh, this is cute. A little card holder, so you can put your credit cards, business cards, whatever. This is very cute. Okay, so this bag is great for like a coffee date. Now hear me out. A coffee date is not a date, but we're putting dates on the end of everything, right? The only reason why I'm saying a coffee date is because during the talking phase, if you guys decide to meet up in person one time to, you know, whatever, really quick, you don't want to spend too much money, you want to blah, blah, blah. Coffee is the perfect place you meet up at. The coffee shop, Starbucks, your local mom and pop coffee shop is fine. You're on your way to work anyways. This is a great work bag. Ooh, it has a zipper in the back. Little compartment there, you can stash probably gum. Back there you can stash a pen. Back there, anything that you want to grab really quick without having to dig through your purse. And I hate having to dig through my purse, so I love a bag with like compartments, and I love having multiple wallets. If you watch my what's in my bag video, you would have seen I have like 4 wallets, one for cash, one for cards, one for my keys, and one for coins. I'm obsessed. This cute little wallet can stash some cash in here, can stash your keys in here. This is cute. I really like this. It feels nice and sturdy. It of course comes with a strap, so if you want to wear it over your shoulder, you can. I would never do this crossbody. I would never wear this bag to the club, please. Okay. It has a zippered compartment that you can put your coins in if you want to. It has these 2 tiny compartments right here. Ooh, can you see? Can you see? There you go. These 2 tiny compartments right here, which is perfect for your cell phone. In that compartment, I do like to put my cell phone. I like to put my lip gloss in that compartment. Hold on. Because the small, it has 2, okay, no, it fits, okay. Because the compartments are 2 different sizes. So the smaller one does fit my cell phone. Let me flip it this way. Yeah, so the smaller compartment, which is right here, does fit my cell phone, right? And then the bigger compartment, what I like to keep in that is a pen, lip gloss, lip liner, and hand sanitizer. Bam bam. Okay, so that is that. I love this bag with a zipper compartment, the zipper at the top. So if you are like me, driving and your purse happens to fall over, nothing is going to fly out of your bag. All right, this is very nice. I like this. This is a nice work bag. This is great. Let's say you're leaving work or you're at work and you're on your lunch break. That's a cute little bag to take on your little lunch, your quick little lunch date. Okay, all right, let me grab these other 2. Hold on. Next bag. This one here. Oh, something else in there. So this one I feel like is great if you're like a party girl, if you're a club girl. This is supposed to be not a replica, but a dupe of the little Prada bag accessories type deal, right? So it comes with a strap that you could do crossbody. You could wear it just like this. You could throw this inside of this and wear it like a little clutch. It does come with a little tiny piece, which I'm going to say is for tampons. I'm not much of a club girl. I'm not much of a party girl. So I don't know. But I think this is for coins, right? I can throw everything in here. Wait, oh no, this does not come off. The chain stays. Okay. So I can throw everything in the bag, close it, and be on my way. We're going to the club. You don't need anything bigger than this. You do not need anything bigger than this. This can hold your ID, your cards, your cash, your lip gloss, your lipstick, your tampons, whatever it is that you need. For the club, babes, you don't need anything bigger than this. For a party, you don't need anything bigger than this. For the hookah lounge, you don't need anything bigger than this. For any nighttime activities, you don't need anything bigger than this, okay? This particular bag, would I take this to dinner? No, because of the fabric. The fabric is very much casual, okay? So for a dinner date, no, unless it's like at a bar. If you're going to a bar, this works, okay? If you're gonna eat 48 oysters, this works, all right? All right, so that's that. The final bag, and you know me, I'm Jamaican, I love everything white, okay? I love everything all white, darling. And of course, my little gold accessories. So this last bag, I'm super excited about. This last bag, when I saw it on the website, I was like, oh, babes, yes. This last bag is perfect for, I want to say, this last bag comes with stuff in it. Okay, all right. So this is the chain strap, right? Just like the popcorn bag, that's how the strap attaches. Hold on. There we go. So it goes through the holes, however which way you want to throw them through the holes. All right, so that's it through the first hole. This is it through the second hole. And then I'm going to attach them back together, right? And then I'm going to go like this. This is perfect for every day. Let's say he wants to take you shopping. Yes, shopping as a date. Oh my gosh, yes, there's hair on my lip gloss. Okay. Shopping as a date, yes, babes, this is the perfect bag for that. Now, inside of this bag, funsies, it has a little scarf, and you can wrap that scarf around your purse. You can make it into a bow. You can wrap it all along here, making it look, you know, extra, like extra. You could throw it through the holes and make it, you know, just a little extra. The clasp, it twists like that, so it's, you know, secure. Now, another thing inside of it, hold on, let me make sure there's nothing else. This one does not have any little compartments on the inside. It's just grab it and throw stuff in it. So this one, I would definitely recommend that you have extra wallets, which brings me to the next item that was inside of this bag. Like, I feel like this bag, the brown crocodile looking one, these two that comes with multiple purses are a steal, a must have, a must grab. They do come in different colors. So if you don't like the colors I'm showing you, there are other options, baby. All right. So this one has another little purse. Twist that open. Bam. Bam. Now this I would take to dinner. This, throw it under your armpit. Bam, bam. You're good to go. It does come with the same little chains that are on the bigger one, as well as the popcorn bag. This one here, it can be worn either crossbody or it can be worn over the shoulder. I'm trying to get the straps. Okay, there we go. So if you push, if you push the straps through the hole, right, like so, and connect them like so, you will have a nice shoulder bag. Hold on, almost there. Okay, so bam, you have a nice shoulder bag, right? You could also do a nice little crossbody. I think this is perfect for dinner because it's so tiny and dainty and cute. Now, if you want to, we could do like I showed you earlier on the other purse and double it. Hold on. I have to, let me see if I remember how I did this. Okay, push this. Okay, all right. So the straps are loose, right? Take one end, push it through the other end. Take this end, push it through. I already got makeup on the back. I already got makeup, Jesus. Okay, so now both of them are pushed through, right? Where is it? Here. Both sides are pushed through. We bring them together to clasp it like so. And then, bam, you have a smaller purse. A little, you know, I am so cute and dainty. I am just a girl. All right, if you want, you can take those straps, slide it back in, down, bam, and now you have a little clutch. Wait, hold on, it's messing up, it's ruining my life. Okay, bam, now you have a dainty curved little chain detail. Look at that. This bag, honey, you can put this in your hair, you know, a little style. This is cute. This is very, very cute. I am in love. I am obsessed with this bag. Obsessed. Thank you, TEMU. Okay, if you liked any of these bags as much as I like all of these bags, in the description bar of this video, you will find all the links to every single purse that you can purchase. I encourage you to tap my affiliate link and download the TEMU app. Use my code, which will be down below, so that you can get a further discount on the already discounted prices, okay? Shipping was like a week. Like, hello, come on now. You look at all these bags. Come on. I'm happy with everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. If you feel like I should have mentioned something that I did not mention, please leave it in the comment section below and I'll answer as soon as possible. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye.